respected fathers, sisters, teachers and all my dear friends. Today I am MA.SHA from Standard 8B is here to say some statements for prayer. What is prayer? Prayer is a communion spirit between two people. Prayer uplifts a body material and body becomes a part of universe. So never stop believing. Prayer. God can change everything very quickly in your life. So now I would request all of you to stand up and take up your prayer position.
Eternal God, Creator of all, I firmly believe that I am now in your presence. I adore your divine majesty and I ask of you to enlighten my mind that I may know you more clearly and to know my heart that I may love you above all things and my fellow beings. Help me to be a torchbearer of your wisdom. Will be the light of the world, dispelling darkness around, like a star in the sky, guiding everyone in love, reforming our minds, reforming our hearts, imparting knowledge and wisdom. Hail, hail, Saint Mary's School, or true heaven of love and nature, for this is where we belong. Hail, hail, Saint Mary's School, our guiding light in every sense, we stands for your name. Fill us, Lord, with the joy and praises, turn us into your angels, be with us in all your strivings, guiding everyone in love. Together we pray, together we learn, to be the light of knowledge and wisdom. Hail, O hail, Saint Mary's School, a true heaven of love and nature, for this is where we belong. Hail, O hail, Saint Mary's School, our guiding light in every sense, it stands for your name.
India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always try to be worthy of it. I shall give respect to my parents, teachers and all elders and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. In their well-being and prosperity along lies my happiness.
Now I would like to invite my friend MA.SHA for an inspiring thought for the day.
Hello everyone, good morning. I myself Shaili Mehta from 8th B. I would like to share a wonderful thought with you. That is, stay dedicated. It's not going to happen overnight, which means the substance of anything does not magically appear in front of you. The real accumulation is in energy, thought and action you put in something. One does not become a champion overnight. It takes time and ability to prove yourself. The highs and lows of your life always get in the way, but we should not defocus ourselves from the decided goal in any condition. Thank you so much and have a great day.
Thank you, Mehta Shaili, for an inspiring thought for the day. Have a beautiful and peace day.